Hi, today we will present the best way to peel off the battery in Huawei phones. This operation may seem simple, but in reality, with improper disassemble, the batteries are punctured on or their casing is damaged and sizes change. You will need a universal solvent or isopropanol and a heater. The battery we are demonstrating comes from Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and the phone has never been disassembled before. This tutorial will be useful to you when you replace the screen with a frame on your phone. You need to bend the unneeded frame properly, and it will be thrown in the garbage. Finally, you have a good battery. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.